Good afternoon and welcome to Casa Ventosa, and this is, I think, a great little, well, it's not a little property, it's a 3-bed, 2-bath, around 123 square metre build over 2 levels. You got a good size 8x4 pool. The plot is about 430 square metres, fully urban, okay? So fully urban with respect to all licensed first occupation in place, mains, waste, water, electric in place, and this has kind of the added bonus of having the access road. It's a double secure road, so you've got automatic gates which service just 3 or 4 properties on this off this road here. This is the end property, okay? The advantage of that really is obviously no passing traffic, and you've got huge open views beyond the boundary fence there, okay? So we'll see those in a second. So I just want to do a quick circuit around the plot for you. It's pretty low maintenance as well, actually, this property. You are walking distance to all amenities. You've got a nice good sized covered terrace there with seating and dining area. The toldos are in good condition. Here is a little casita for the pool room, which is all up together. Okay, nice and dry and good for storage as well. Plus there's a little shower behind this wall here. Okay, but the big advantage, I've got to say, is that you've got access to, you know, this olive grove, which you don't have to maintain. It'd be looked after by the farmer, but your views going this direction have that big advantage. There's also a big balcony off there of the master bedroom, which we're going to show you at the end. But the condition of the property is very good. Okay, privacy is good. You know, you're on an small urbanisation, but actually you could screen off from this neighbour here a bit more. You've got parking and carport over to the left where the main entrance is. Barbecue area, nicely put in, plenty of terrace. That comes off your living and kitchen area under a small porch as well. So it ticks a lot of boxes, this property. So next point is, it is exclusive with VillaSolutions, okay? We got the price fixed at 269,950 euros, that is, and I think it's actually a very fair price. Okay, it ticks all the boxes. You've got outdoor space, you've got views, you've got the pool, you've got parking. There's a water deposito just here as well. Okay, you got views in that direction as well above that roof. Okay, this is the water deposito, so you've got like a 2,000 litre storage tank here, and then there's a pump just in that small room there, plus there's another pump there, so you're going to get high pressure kind of water into the house for taps and showers. But it's a good quality build. Okay, you can kind of see it's got really nice high ceilings on both levels. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's go through underneath the main front porch and here into the main entrance hall. Okay, so we've got a stairway leading up to the 3 bedrooms. Okay, there's storage behind that unit there. This is the downstairs cloakroom, shower. Okay, but it's all kind of nicely kitted out. Tiles are non-offensive. You know, they're all in good condition. And then it walks through into what is a very nice, very light living area. Okay, so we've got a lounge diner, we've got a nice corner wood burner over there for the winter months. AC is in, and then you've got views that direction there, very nice. Again, dining area. You got the fans in as well, all ceiling fans, and then this archway leads through into what is a separate, quite large kitchen. Okay, so that's all good. The oven's at the right level, electric hob, granite surfaces. You've got a big, that's relatively new, kind of American style fridge freezer, nice and kind of oversized, and then you've got your laundry room just set back into that recess there. Okay. Dishwasher as well, all in, nicely fitted, and again it overlooks the pool area. Look at that, over the covered terrace and the pool. You got persianas and fly screens on all the windows, and again, it's actually, you know, it ticks all the boxes. And I gotta say, location-wise, for Puente de Manuel, you're gonna actually struggle to beat this because it ticks many boxes. It's pretty damn quiet. You got a slight bit of road noise from the background, as you would expect in urbanisation, but you know, your outdoor space and living space is all up together, and actually it works very well. Okay, so that's the lower floor. Nice patio doors going out into a small terrace there as well. So let's take a look upstairs where we have the bedrooms. So we've got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Okay, so this one's been completely refurbed. Okay, it's been reformed, upgraded, and you've got new tiles, new toilets, new sink, vanity, new shower as well. Nice glass screen in there. Okay, again, you've got that high ceiling. It does make a hell of a difference with regarding how spacious it feels. Then we've got a twin room. Okay, so this is the smallest, but it's got good views looking over the pool area. That's facing north. They've all got fitted wardrobes, which are on sliders, with storage at the top, all with ceiling fans as well. Okay. Bedroom number 2. So this one's got great views. Again, it's bigger than the last bedroom we saw. Look at that view. No one's going to build on that. That's rustic land, and it's all olive grove essentially. It's going to be green pretty much all year round, overlooking Puente de Manuel and the bridge. There you can see the wardrobe, again fitted with sliders, and then you've got your ceiling fans with lights, and obviously there is internet here as well. And then here is the main principal bedroom. Okay, and again it's another size bigger once again, and you've got plenty of unit space, very light and bright again. Double patio doors onto a big terrace. You got fitted wardrobe, again all kind of fitted out, and it all just flows out onto this big balcony terrace here, where you've got a good amount of space for table and chairs, even sunbed, and that view of Zafra Pass, Puente de Manuel, surrounding mountains. And yeah, I think this is going to be very popular, guys. So if you want further information, this is Casa Ventosa, and you can contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed view our website at VillaSolutions.net. Remember, this is exclusive. You won't find it anywhere else. Thank you.